back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest, and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. So, guys, in today's video, we'll be doing on Signale Di Obbligo lesson 9. Remember that we have done that of lesson 1 to 8. So, if you've not seen those videos, I would really recommend you going back to those videos. As usual, I'm going to leave it in the description box below for you to go cover from 1 to 8 and join us in lesson 9. And this is going to be the last lesson based on Signale Di Obbligo, meaning that from now onwards, whatever video I'm going to be posting, it won't be based on Obbligo. We are moving to the next chapter, the next lesson. All right. Okay, guys, if you don't see my video for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to the family. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Like, share to your family, loved ones, friends. Okay, create awareness. Let them come and also get their Patente B. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to cover Signale Di Obbligo, like I said earlier. And the first one on my list, don't be confused, is Signale Di Ghana. Now, on seeing this sign, don't get confused. It is Signale Di Obbligo. It looks like Signale Di Vieto, yes, but it is actually Signale Di Obbligo. We have 3 of this type that is inside of Signale Di Obbligo, and we are going to cover the 3 of them. Remember that it is only 3 of this type that is seen inside Signale Di Obbligo, which have the blue color, but this time around they get just like the Vieto, a red cycle shape. Okay, but it is Signale Di Obbligo. Okay, let us see what it's trying to tell us now. This is Dogana. What does it tell you? È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. You see, it is also segnale di obbligo. Segnala un varco doganale con un paese non facente parte della comunità europea, paese extracomunitario. Now, this is telling you of a custom border, okay, between a country that is not part of the European community. Okay, it is telling you of a custom crossing of a country not part of the European community. It is a custom. Al quale è obbligatorio fermarsi, whereby you have to stop, you must ferm. Indica quindi che bisogna rallentare e fermarsi alla dogana anche se non si hanno oggetti o merci da dichiarare. Now, even if you don't have an object, if you don't have goods to declare, you must stop on seeing this sign. It is a custom crossing between Italy and another country that is not part of the European community. So on seeing it, slow down and stop, even if you don't get anything to declare. Now we're going to see the second one. I told you that 3 of them inside the obbligo sign. The second one is this, haute polizia, haute polizia. So what does haute polizia tell you? This sign is Signale di Prescrizione Obbligo. Remember, say Signale di Obbligo is Signale di Prescrizione. They might not ask you in your quiz, is this Signale di Obbligo? They might ask you, is this sign Signale di Prescrizione? Quickly we collect that it is Signale di Obbligo. So it is also Signale di Prescrizione. Okay? Now let's go. Preannuncia la presenza di un posto di blocco stradale. Now this one tell you of a roadblock. Istituto da organi di polizia al quale è obbligatoria fermarsi. Now, roadblock where police mount, so na place whereby you dey obliged to stop. Indica quindi obbligo di arresto un posto di blocco. Now, this one tells you that you're obliged to stop at this checkpoint. Esso è situato a distanza opportuna dal posto di blocco e ripetuto da testa di punto di arresto. Now, this one, you will see at a distance from the checkpoint, at a distance from the police roadblock, okay? You're going to see this one telling you, be careful, you have to slow down and stop. Okay? Now, it can be repeated. Even at a distance where you see them, you go still repeat them till the point at which you have to stop, at which the checkpoint is. Okay? You see that the distance from the checkpoint telling you, haute polizia. You can still see it repeatedly, piccolo, till the point of arrest. Okay, you're going to see them. They repeat us small, they go till the point where you're going to need to stop. The next one, haute stazione. Now, this one, now the last one, out of the 3 I told you that you're going to see in Signale Di Obbligo, this is the last one. Haute stazione. This one, what does it tell you? Let us see, okay? È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Now, Signale Di Obbligo, now see Signale di prescrizione. Segnala una stazione autostradale, accesso autostradale controllato, alla quale è obbligatorio fermarsi. Now, this one they tell you of a station where they forward, where we say it is controlled for autostrada, whereby you dey obliged to stop. I'm trying to get the English name for this. It just escaped my memory. Hot stazione, toll gate. Brother, it is a toll gate. One of my head, cash back. So it is a toll gate, okay? That toll gate where you need to pay and use the autostrada. So you're gonna see it there. Obbligo di rallentare, it tells you to slow down. Fermarsi per l'operazione di pedaggio autostradale. Slow down and stop. And of course, do your needful. Pay for the roadway ways, okay? That's where we all know what is toll gate, right? That is where you pay, okay, for the roadway they use for autostrada. So that is us stazione. Remember, so we have three of this sign that looks like segnale di divieto, but they are not segnale di divieto. They are actually segnale di obbligo. You find them inside the obligatory sign, okay, which is hot stazione, hot police, and the last one, dogana. All right, guys, see you in my next video. If you don't understand anything, if you have anything that is giving you difficulty, do not always remember that, do not always forget not to remember. English hard. Do not always forget, okay, that you can actually leave it in the comment section. I'm going to come through it. I'm going to treat it. If there's need for a video, I'm going to do a video based on it. All right. See you guys next video. Bye. Okay.